In this tutorial, I will show you how to check exactly how much storage Grok uses on Android and safely free the temporary part without resetting the app. Start on the home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer, then find Grok. Press and hold the Grok icon until its shortcut menu appears. The small information button is at the top right of that menu. Tap the information button to open Android app info for Grok. The usage controls are lower on this page, so swipe upward until mobile data, battery, storage, and memory are visible. Look at the storage row first. Its summary gives you Grok's current total before you open the detailed breakdown. Tap Storage. Android separates the total into 4 useful rows. App is the installed Grok application itself. Data is locally stored app information. Cache is temporary content that Grok can rebuild. Total combines those amounts. Check the cache row before cleaning, so you know what can actually be reclaimed. At the bottom, Clear Data is on the left, and Clear Cache is on the right. They are not the same action. For a routine storage cleanup, tap Clear Cache on the bottom right. The payoff is immediate. The cache row changes to 0 bytes, and the total number drops. The data row remains populated because we did not use clear data. This visible change confirms that only Grok's temporary cached files were removed. Keep the 2 actions at the bottom in view. Grok or Android may rebuild a small cache very quickly, even while you revisit this page. If a temporary amount has returned, tap Clear Cache again and watch it return to 0 bytes. Clear data is separate and can reset locally stored app state, so do not use it just to perform this cleanup. Confirm that data remains present after clearing the cache. Here is the complete path again. From Home, swipe up, press and hold Grok, and tap the Information button. On App Info, swipe up to the Usage section and open Storage. Review app, data, cache, and total, so you understand where the space is going. Then tap Clear Cache on the bottom right and confirm the cache row changes to 0 bytes. Leave clear data alone. The amount you recover depends on how much temporary content Grok has built, and some cache can return during normal use. This method lets you reclaim the disposable part while preserving Grok's local data. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android app guides.